This is like the perfect red.
Wow.
The metallic one is so nice.
It covers really well.
I definitely noticed the wide color selection. Like I love bold graphic shapes, so it's really easy to do that with these markers.
I think especially when you're on the go, like if you want to take these while you're traveling, it makes a lot more sense than just putting a bunch of tubes of paint in your bag.
I really like working on these different textures. I've never drawn on a vinyl lever.
I can actually do a lot of large area at the same time working on the details.
I feel like it's allowing me to just be like more spontaneous and make more immediate marks than a brush would. The ink is coming out really fluidly and I'm not having to keep pressing the nib. This is definitely going to be a go-to for me going forward.